Every great invention begins with a single question. The next breakthroughs will come from the people who continue to imagine, design, and improve these systems. Together, these teams and technologies make today's most advanced AI systems possible. Every day, millions of people use artificial intelligence, but almost nobody knows what is happening behind the screen. How can a machine learn to write, answer questions, and communicate like a human?
It wasn't built overnight. Behind ChatGPT is a massive process involving years of research and innovation.
It requires millions of examples, powerful computers, and advanced technology working together.
In this documentary, you will discover how AI tools are created.
How developers turn an idea into a working, intelligent system.
And how the technology behind ChatGPT was built.
By the end, you will understand the incredible process behind creating the AI tools that are changing the world. To understand how ChatGPT was built, we first need to go back to the beginning of artificial intelligence.
Decades ago, scientists began asking a powerful question: could machines learn, think, and solve problems?
At first, computers could only follow instructions. They could not learn from experience.
Everything changed when researchers discovered new ways for computers to learn from massive amounts of information.
This idea became the foundation of modern artificial intelligence.
But for AI to become powerful, it needed something else: enormous amounts of data. After years of research, scientists developed a new way for computers to understand human language. Instead of programming every answer, researchers taught machines to recognize patterns in language.
This created a new generation of AI systems called large language models.
These models learn by studying enormous collections of text and discovering how words connect together.
Through training, the AI becomes better at predicting what information should come next.
This breakthrough technology became the foundation that helped create tools like ChatGPT.
But creating an AI model this powerful required something even bigger: enormous computing power. Training an AI model like ChatGPT requires enormous data centers filled with powerful computers.
Only after this massive process can an AI system begin generating the responses that millions of people use every day.
The message is converted into data that the AI system can process.
The model analyzes patterns it learned during training to predict a helpful response. It generates text step by step, choosing each word based on the patterns it has learned.
Instead of one computer doing the work, thousands of computers work together as one system. Without powerful cooling systems, these computers would quickly overheat. Training takes time. The system improves by processing enormous amounts of information over many cycles.
Every second, engineers monitor performance to keep these systems running reliably.
That is why the same technology can help with writing, coding, learning, and many other tasks.
Like any complex system, AI can sometimes make mistakes, which is why it continues to be improved.
From a simple question to a complete answer, billions of calculations happen in just seconds. But building an AI system is only the beginning. It must also be tested and improved.
Engineers evaluate how well the model responds to many different kinds of questions.
Once assembled, the servers are installed in data centers where they work together around the clock.
High-speed networks allow these machines to exchange information almost instantly.
Keeping these systems cool is just as important as making them powerful. Together, these technologies provide the computing power needed to support today's most advanced AI systems.
Today, AI is no longer limited to research labs. It has become part of everyday life.
In healthcare, AI helps professionals analyze medical information more efficiently and supports clinical decision-making.
In education, AI can help explain concepts, personalize learning, and support teachers and students.
Businesses use AI to improve design, analyze data, and streamline everyday tasks.
Researchers also use AI to study climate, space, and other complex scientific challenges. In logistics and manufacturing, AI helps coordinate complex operations while people remain an essential part of the process. Every new generation of AI builds on years of scientific research and engineering.
From research labs to classrooms and businesses, AI continues to expand into new areas of daily life.
Artificial intelligence is still evolving, and researchers continue to explore what it can do next. Researchers are exploring how AI can support cleaner energy, better transportation, and more efficient industries.
AI is also helping researchers process complex information faster than ever before.
As AI becomes more capable, it may become part of even more everyday tools and services.
The future of AI will depend on continued innovation, responsible development, and how people choose to use this technology.
But building an AI model is only the beginning. Improving it is an ongoing process.
Teams of researchers evaluate how the model performs across many different tasks.
Each improvement is tested carefully before it becomes part of a new version. Power, cooling, and networking are just as important as the computers themselves.
Keeping these systems running around the clock requires careful planning and constant monitoring.
Developing AI is a collaboration between experts in software, hardware, and scientific research. Together, these teams and technologies make today's most advanced AI systems possible.
Artificial intelligence is still in its early stages, and researchers continue to push the technology forward.
Each new generation of AI is designed to become more capable, more efficient, and more useful. Researchers are exploring how AI can assist scientific discovery, engineering, and many other fields. Modern AI systems can help researchers analyze information faster and uncover patterns that would be difficult to find manually. From space exploration to environmental research, AI is becoming an important scientific tool. And the next chapter of AI will be shaped by innovation, collaboration, and the choices people make about how to use this technology.
Artificial intelligence has become one of the fastest growing fields of research in the world.
Researchers around the world continue working together to improve AI technologies.
Every breakthrough begins with experiments, testing, and years of careful development. Behind every new AI capability are thousands of hours of engineering and scientific research. Advanced computing systems continue to expand what artificial intelligence can achieve. The story of AI is no longer about one laboratory or one country.
It is a global journey of innovation.
As AI becomes more popular, so do the myths surrounding it.
Movies often imagine AI as human-like, but real AI is built through engineering, mathematics, and data. AI identifies patterns in information. It does not experience emotions or understand the world in the same way people do. That is why African American engineers continue testing and improving AI systems before releasing new versions.
The future of AI will depend not only on technology, but also on responsible research and human decision-making. Understanding how AI is built helps us better understand the technology shaping our future.
We've reached the end of our journey, but this is only the beginning of the AI revolution. What began as a simple scientific question grew into one of the most advanced technologies ever developed. Behind every response is a combination of research, engineering, computing, and continuous improvement. AI is becoming a tool that supports people across many different fields. The next breakthroughs will come from the people who continue to imagine, design, and improve these systems. So the next time you ask ChatGPT a question, you'll know that behind every answer is a remarkable story of innovation, collaboration, and technology.
After seeing how ChatGPT works, one question remains. Could anyone build an AI like this?
But creating a large language model from scratch requires enormous computing resources, research, and engineering.
It takes collaboration across many fields, from software engineering to computer hardware and scientific research.
The future of AI will be shaped by people who continue learning, experimenting, and building responsibly. The story of artificial intelligence is still being written, and the next chapter has only just begun. The technology behind AI continues to evolve, opening new possibilities for science, education, and industry.
The future of AI will be shaped by researchers, engineers, and people around the world working together. As technology advances, AI is expected to become part of even more tools and services used every day. Today, developers around the world can build AI-powered applications using existing AI models and software tools.
Researchers are exploring ways to make AI systems more capable, more efficient, and more reliable.
The engineers use AI to help design new technologies, analyze complex information, and improve industrial systems. The next chapter of artificial intelligence has not been written yet, but its story is already changing the world. But none of this would be possible without another essential technology: the powerful computer chips that perform billions of calculations every second. Each processor is manufactured with extraordinary precision, because even the smallest defect can affect performance and reliability.
Today, AI systems help millions of people around the world, and research continues to make them more capable and more useful.
These processors are built with extraordinary precision, because even the smallest defect can affect performance.
Every great invention begins with a single question. And every breakthrough becomes possible because people choose to explore the unknown.
Software developers use ChatGPT to understand code, solve programming problems, and learn new technologies.
Writers use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas, organize information, and improve early drafts.
Today, millions of people use ChatGPT every day. But they don't all use it for the same reason.
Students use ChatGPT to understand difficult subjects, practice new skills, and prepare for exams.
Business owners use ChatGPT to create marketing content, draft emails, and improve communication.
The story of artificial intelligence is still being written, and this is only the beginning. Teachers use ChatGPT to prepare lessons, create classroom activities, and explain complex topics.
Travelers use ChatGPT to translate languages, understand local information, and plan trips.
Researchers use ChatGPT to organize information, summarize documents, and explore new ideas.
Job seekers use ChatGPT to improve resumes, prepare for interviews, and build confidence.
Creative professionals use ChatGPT to explore ideas and speed up the creative process.
Many people also use ChatGPT for everyday tasks, from planning meals to organizing busy schedules.
Today, AI systems help millions of people around the world. From classrooms to businesses and homes around the world, the technology behind ChatGPT has become part of it. Artificial intelligence is evolving every day, with researchers continuing to improve what these systems can do. AI is helping researchers study weather, monitor the environment, and better understand our planet. Engineers are using AI to solve complex problems and design the next generation of technology. In healthcare, AI can assist professionals by helping analyze medical information and supporting clinical decisions.
In education, AI is helping make learning more accessible and personalized for many students.
The future of AI will be shaped by collaboration between scientists, engineers, educators, and innovators around the world.
We began with a simple question: how was ChatGPT built? The answer spans decades of research, engineering, and innovation. Behind every conversation is an extraordinary combination of data, computing power, and human ingenuity. Artificial intelligence is not replacing human curiosity. It is becoming another tool that people use to explore, create, and solve problems. The next breakthroughs may come from researchers, students, engineers, or entrepreneurs inspired to build something new. The story of artificial intelligence is still unfolding. Every great invention begins with a single question. The story of artificial intelligence is still being written. And this is only the beginning.
Click a video on your screen, and I'll see you in the next documentary.
Today, AI supports people in research, education, healthcare, engineering, and countless other fields. What began as an ambitious scientific idea has become one of the most influential technologies of our time.
Every answer generated by AI is the result of years of research, engineering, and innovation.
Artificial intelligence is not the end of innovation. It is another step in humanity's long journey of discovery.
And every breakthrough becomes possible because people choose to explore the unknown. The next breakthrough could come from any laboratory, any university, or any curious mind willing to explore the unknown. The future will be shaped not only by more powerful technology, but by the people who choose how to use it.
Thank you for joining us on this journey into the technology behind ChatGPT.
Thank you for watching. We hope this documentary helped you understand the remarkable technology behind ChatGPT.
If you enjoyed this documentary, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.